Hello everyone, my name is Kelsey Macer, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own bath bomb at home. Last year I started making bath bombs myself because they got so popular, and if you buy one online they're kind of expensive, so if you make them at home you can save quite a bit of money. And last year they became really popular, so when I started making them myself and telling people about them, they wanted to buy one from me too. So me and my boyfriend started making them, and I kind of stopped doing it because I just didn't really have time for it anymore. But every now and again, if I want a bath bomb, I can still make it at home. So I'm going to show you how to make your own bath bomb at home today. Everything you see right here is what you'll have to have. You'll need baking soda, cornstarch, Epsom salt, it doesn't matter if it's scented or not, castor oil, food coloring, an essential oil of your choice, a scented essential oil. You're going to need citric acid, which you can find in the canning section like at Walmart. Everything you see here you can find at Walmart. You're also going to need a medium-sized mixing bowl, a whisk, a little mixing spoon for the liquid mixture that we'll get to on the second part. You're going to need a little plastic saucer thing to put the liquid mix in also. You're going to need a 1 cup or 1/2 cup measuring cup for your powders, and you're also going to need a 1/4 measuring cup as well. And last but not least, you're going to need a mold of your choice. So sometimes you can find these, like this one today I found in the toy aisle at Walmart. But you can also use plastic Easter eggs, or you can find like a Christmas ornament that's clear that you can pull apart like this. But you need to make sure that you find one that can pull apart like this. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take a 1/2 cup of baking soda, and this is a 1 cup measuring cup. I could not find my 1/2 cup, so I'm going to have to use this one today, and I might be measuring over, but that is okay. Make sure that's all together. You can get all of this stuff pretty cheap also at Walmart, or the dollar store. You can also get it there. I'm not sure if you can buy castor oil there or not, or the essential oils. You might have to get those like at Walmart. But everything else you can find all at Walmart pretty cheap. So we have a 1/2 cup of baking soda. Next we're going to take a 1/4 cup of Epsom salt. Just pour that right in the mixing bowl. I'm going to put this right here so you can see. Next, we're going to need a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. The cornstarch is what holds everything together for the bath bomb, so it's definitely an essential. If you forget the cornstarch, then you're pretty much wasting your time. Also, the citric acid is a big essential, and you're going to also add a 1/4 cup of citric acid. Like I said, you can find this in the canning section at Walmart. And add that to the mixture. Okay. So you're going to have 4 different powder ingredients by the time you're done. And you just mix all that together. Make sure it's mixed really good. Okay. Once that's mixed up, just set it over to the side. Now we're going to start on our liquid. So you need 3 teaspoons of castor oil. This is a big measuring spoon. What I do is I just fill it up because castor oil is actually really good for your skin. So I just like to add a little bit extra. The recipe calls for 3 teaspoons, but you can put a little bit more. Okay. And the essential oil that I'm using today is called Hawaiian Mist. I really love this because when you're actually in the bath, it's just a really nice smell and it's really relaxing. So I'm going to add just a tablespoon of it. The lid came off. Okay. And next, make sure you have some food coloring. I bought this little neon, but blue is my favorite to use because it's a really nice color. And just add 3 drops. Don't add more than 4. And this will not stain your bathtub, by the way. I've had a lot of people ask me that. What you're going to do is stir that up really nice. Makes a really nice blue color. And the next thing we're going to do is take our first mixture and we're going to slowly add our blue liquid into the mixture. Just a little bit at a time because that citric acid will react to it. And add everything in. Your mixture is going to start clumping up as well, but just make sure that you stir it like this. I don't know if you can see it. It's definitely turning blue. I'm going to add the rest of that in there. Okay. Alright, so this is a really nice blue color. This is exactly the consistency that you want because it's pretty thick right now. So last but not least, you take your mold and you just start pushing it down in here. And you're going to want it to be really firm. You don't want anything loose. Make sure you get one that will clamp together because if it does not clamp together, it's not going to mold properly. So you've got 2 molds. What you're going to do is just put them together until you hear it click. Okay. Okay, so our mold is together. And what you're going to do once you finish is you're going to leave it either in the freezer for a couple hours for faster use or leave it overnight to dry and then just gently take it off in 24 hours. Don't be hard with it and just make sure that you're real careful taking it out. And that's how you make a bath bomb. Thank you.